Everyone, so this is nutritionist Farida Gohil here, and as you all know that Pink of Health products have come up with the next product as honey. So we are making sure that we reach out to you in the purest form of honey, and there is no middleman involved, to be honest, and we have a team member directly getting the honey for us from the beekeeping honey farms. Okay, so these are the bowls of honey. As of now we have 4 types of honey that is available with us, and we are going to test this honey at home, okay, and its purity. So now we are going to check honey, mustard honey. Okay, so this is a bowl filled with water. Okay, so I add the mustard honey. You can see the viscosity, okay, into one bowl. Then we have a mixed form of honey where the bees are not given a single flower, they go everywhere, and the honey is formed. So look at the viscosity of the honey. Okay, the next honey is coriander. Okay, so okay, and the next one is the ajwain. This is coriander, and the next one is ajwain. Okay, now we make sure that we have added honey, all the types of honey that we have, into this water to check its purity. Okay, now it is said that when you put honey into water, if it dissolves, then it is said to be adulterated. Okay, so we can see the water is as it is and the honey is not dissolved in the water. This is this one is mustard honey. Now if you check here, this one is a mixed honey, a mix of all the herbs and plants. This one is coriander honey, okay, and this one is ajwain honey. Okay, so we can see that, you know, it is not at all dissolving in water, means how pure it is. At the end of this video I have also attached a regular honey that we used to consume and the comparison with our honey, and we can see how fast it dissolves into water. But this honey that we are having at Pink of Health products does not dissolve at all into the water. Okay, as well as the ant test we have done in the end to see if the ants come where your honey is kept, means the honey is adulterated. Okay, so we had this at the end of the video. We are going to show how we had this test done, and we can see that our honey is pure and there was no ant around our honey. Okay, so we see that our honey passes the purity check because it is not at all dissolving into the water. Similarly, now the second test that we did was to check if how wet the honey is, if it is adulterated with water or any sugar syrup. So we can see that this was our mustard honey. Okay, so we can see that there is no wetness seen here. Similarly, if we check here, okay, there is no wetness seen here, means that honey is not at all adulterated. This is our mixed honey. Okay, so we can see there is no wetness seen. Okay, similarly with our first which was ajwain honey, we can see the test done, how thick it is, and we can see it is not at all adulterated. We do is the flame test, where we see if the honey is adulterated, it will not burn, but if the honey is not adulterated, it's pure, then it will burn. Okay, so I will make sure I will burn this and let's see what happens. You can see that the honey was pure and the honey on the tissue caught the fire. It's almost more than 20 to 30 minutes. I have finished all my test, and when I look at our first test for purity, we can see how pure the honey is, because still it has not yet dissolved. Okay, so now let's dissolve it. See how thick and how good quality. It does not dissolve at all, means how pure the honey is. Okay, if the honey is adulterated and impure, it forms a foamy water when we dissolve it. Okay, see, it's really, we can see how pure the honey is. Like, I have to stir it so many times just in order for it to dissolve. So this test tells us that the honey is really pure. Okay, now let's see how fast does it settles down. And okay, so we can see even after stirring it, we can see the water is not at all become milky. Okay, and the pure honey is settled down. This proves that we ensure you that we deliver pure honey from our Pink of Health products. This test is test for thumb test, where we see that if the honey is pure, it will not fall fast. Okay, it will really take time to fall. You can see how slowly it is falling, even after tilting the entire thumb. That means the honey is pure. Okay, so since our next product is honey, so we did some test to test the purity of honey at home. We knew that our honey is pure, but to make sure that it is pure, we made sure we do some test at home. So this is our honey coriander. So see, it has not at all dissolved. I have been dissolved this honey in the water since almost 20 minutes and have shaked it so well, but since you can see the honey is not dissolved. At the other side, this is a regular honey which I was buying it from here, and how it has dissolved. So this states that the honey which we will be selling from our Pink of Health products is pure honey. So now again, to check the purity of honey, we see that the ants are coming towards the adulterated honey. Okay, because if there is sugar present, definitely ants will come to it. Okay, and if the honey is pure, there will be no ants coming to it. Okay, so we can see the comparison between the two honey. Okay, you can see ants here and you can see the ants not here. It's already been more than 4 to 5 hours I have kept this honey like that only, but I can see ants coming here but no ant over here, which proves that Pink of Health honey is pure.